Hi everybody, it's Steve-O, the Special Projects Guy from My Mini Casa, and I'm here today to tell you about one of the most common and one of the most simple repairs that you can do to your shipping container, and that is patching a hole. So here we are in Salt Lake with my container, and I don't actually have a hole in this container, so I drew one on here just so you could see how this all works. And I have here a PARS Equipment fiberglass patch, and you can get these through myminicasa.com. And what it is a fiberglass patch with a special resin that uses ultraviolet light to harden, and it forms a waterproof, super strong bond to patch any hole that you have on your container. So the first thing we're going to do is degrease the area around the hole. Now you can use a lot of different things to degrease the surface you're going to apply the patch to. You can use acetone, you can use TSP, you can even use Windex, anything that doesn't leave any kind of residue that would interfere with the glue. I'm going to be using 99.9% pure isopropyl alcohol. Now whatever degreaser you're going to use, you should keep safety in mind and wear gloves and other protective equipment so that none of these nasty chemicals can harm your health. So I'll just pour a little bit of this on a rag, and I'll degrease the area around the hole. And I will let that dry before I attach the patch. Okay, now that that has dried, I'm going to take the patch out of its protective foil wrapper, and you see that there are two sides. One side is kind of this fiberglass material, and the other side is the sticky side, which is protected by a white film cover. So we're going to remove that white film cover, and we're now going to adhere the patch over our hole. And we're going to smooth that on really good. And there's two different ways that this patch can cure. It's cured via ultraviolet light, and it can either come from the sun if it's an exterior patch, or if it's an interior patch, you can get one of these ultraviolet flashlights and just shine it on the patch, like so. You can even use this ultraviolet light on a day like today, which is quite cloudy, where there is no sun. And this ultraviolet light will cause the fiberglass to cure, meaning that the patch will harden and become impenetrable. So there you have it. How to patch a hole in your container using a PARS Equipment fiberglass patch. Good luck with your projects out there. I hope you enjoyed this video. Till next time, I'm Steve-O, the Special Projects Guy from My Mini Casa.